everyone, today I made mushroom broccoli rice. It's smelling so yummy. Let me taste and tell you. It's so delicious. Now let me eat all. Till then you watch the recipe. You need garlic, onion and vegetables you like. I have taken grated garlic, onion, broccoli, mushroom, corn and capsicum. Now put some oil in the pan and put cumin seeds. Now put some onion and fry. Then you can add vegetables that you like. I have added carrot, capsicum, mushroom, corn and broccoli. Now add salt to taste. Add coriander powder, chili powder and then garam masala. Then cook for 7 minutes. Now add cooked rice. Tan-da-dan, it's ready. I also made buttermilk, which I feel is a good combination. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.